What's up, guys? We're doing the Cardinals. I know these last couple videos I've seemed rushed, trying to slow down. Um, there's just a lot of videos for me to get done. Kind of tired, kind of sleepy. But we'll go past that. So, the team sucks. Minus Drake McBride and Marvin Harrison Jr. I feel like our defense. I feel like I'm not gonna touch our defense. I feel like our defense is pretty good. Our offense, obviously, quarterback. It's one of the biggest things I think, in my opinion. I don't know why some of our people are not in there, but I guess that's part of the game. So I think drafting and picking up a really good old line is definitely going to help. I'm just going to keep going by position, kind of. So left tackle, we're good. Left guard, we do need some help. I'm going to sign this dude to a 2-year deal, simple deal. I think he would sign. Center, we're probably not going to find anybody. I hope yeah. Yeah, I'm going to try to sign him. It's a 2-year deal. I got everybody that I wanted, so definitely feel like our O-line definitely got him better. So I think everyone knows what we're gonna do. By the way, I don't care. Hayden Connor is actually one of my friends. So I don't really care. Y'all get mad at me about this. I'm giving him superstar development, which he's gonna start for us. So we're gonna go draft. Personally, what I want is a QB. Am I going to get a QB? Probably not. But can I hope? Can I get a QB? No. By the way, this is real. I think I'm gonna start just using this real 2026 draft class. This one is beta. I did not mean to go. So you have Arch Manning. He's gonna get picked up. So I'm gonna try to get Nick or Garrett. Personally, I would rather. I want to find a better one. That's who I wanted. Either way, he's a first round draft pick. He is gonna be good either way. So, just hoping he isn't terrible. Oh my gosh, he sucks. He sucks. I knew I should have drafted somebody different. Alright, we're gonna go to inner draft. I think we're still gonna suck. I feel like the Cardinals. I don't know. Like, I'm hoping that he's okay enough to be your franchise quarterback. Hey, we got a good wide receiver. We got a good halfback. Got an okay draft. So I think I'm gonna go to like mid-season and kind of see, and like if there's somebody, if I see something that I don't like, I'm probably gonna have to go make a trade. But I really don't want to make a trade. Yeah, we're 1-6. Okay, 1-6. And how Kyler Murray is playing. I thought I turned off injuries. So why did Kyler Murray not show up? Yeah, injuries are off. So how? He sucks either way. So why is I literally have a reorder on? Dude, I literally have a reorder on auto. Let me tell you, we're gonna win almost every single game -1. That's gonna knock us out of playoffs because Madden doesn't know how to play this freaking game, dude. I don't understand this. Like, how are you going to literally have a game mode that still sucks over and over and over, dude? I hate this game, dude. But like, Madden, let me tell you guys, backstory. Madden's how I made my YouTube journey. I hate, but I think so. Kind of locked in. Yeah, we won almost every single game. We're gonna go off season. If we don't lose anybody big, I'm still trying to like figure out why. Why were we not reordered? This is why Madden like makes me so mad every single time. Is because before I hate on Madden. Okay, that is my fault. I had it on auto. That is my fault. I'll take full responsibility for that. No, I won't. It's still Madden's fault. I thought I clicked it, but I guess I didn't. Still Madden's fault. I hope we don't lose anybody big. Because we have a lot of money, but if we're losing anybody kind of big, I feel like we're not going to be able to do anything really. Alright. I feel like our offense definitely gotten better. I think us having our starters in there would definitely help. Let's just see what free agents. We might not even sign a free agent. I think our center is one of our highest, so I'm okay just not really doing anybody. Getting another corner would help. But to be honest, like, I'm okay going to next season. I feel like draft is not going to help us. I feel like nothing's really going to help us. So I'm kind of going to skip the draft. I gotta realize in a 2-year span, we gotta win. Yeah, this team like Cardinals. So if we miss the playoffs the year that we started, The goal is to go back to the playoffs. If they were in the playoffs, our goal is to get into the conference championship. If we go into the conference championship, if we win the conference championship, we have to go win. We have to go in the Super Bowl. If we won the Super Bowl, we lost. If we were in the Super Bowl, we got one. But our main goal every single time is to go to the Super Bowl. And we are doing a point system. So right now we have 1, 2, 3 wins, 1, 2, 3 losses. So 2-5 right now. And honestly, I don't know what's gonna happen. Like, if we win or lose. I think if we win, vacation. But no. I think I'm gonna try to get like a wide receiver, like a Jamar Chase would be perfect. I'm gonna get Jamar Chase. I don't care what I have to give up, but I'm gonna get Jamar Chase. Boom. Alright. We made playoffs. Y'all have to like. If we lose, if we don't make playoffs, y'all have to subscribe. Obviously, y'all know we do make playoffs. You have to subscribe. If we don't, you gotta leave a like. Dude, I don't think people realize like how many videos I have to do. Like, that's why I'm so tired every single time. So you gotta leave a like, and we lost. So yeah, we couldn't win. It sucks. I think hopefully with what they're doing, they're going to go in a better direction. But I want to say thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.